The oil and gas, the kind of patches I see is in India. Whether you call deep sea, whether the first oil was discovered in Assam, in Dibrugarh, Digboy. The time has come where people are more comfortable. People have been looked at very different eyes. It takes some time. This is the time which thing will change in India. The per GDP income will increase. Today the biggest shortage is the human resources. Manpower is not available. And we have all this. So I am very optimistic. I am very optimistic. Government, the kind of policy being changed, it requires more policy, more trust will come to the entrepreneur, more trust will come to the business people, more comfortable they will be, the output will be tremendous.
आपने बात की स्टार्टअप्स की, आपने बात की उन यंगस्टर्स की जिनको अब या तो बाहर जाने का मौका नहीं मिल रहा है। वैसे हम बता दें, अगर एक देश ने बंद कर दिया तो और 4 देश खड़े हो गए कि आप यहाँ आइए। तो इंडियन टैलेंट की वो डिमांड है।
लेकिन आप मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता, 7 लाख बच्चे पढ़ने जाते हैं। हिंदुस्तान में इतनी जबरदस्त पोटेंशियल है, मैं तैयार हूँ। मैं अपने धन का सारा जितना आप बोलेंगे हम लगा सकते हैं। सारी दुनिया में जो यूनिवर्सिटीज़ बनी हैं, हाउ द अमेरिका हैज़ बिल्ट because of their universities. 35 universities being built by the industrialists. What we require it better a Boston city to be created, where we give education to our people, probably half the price, 1/4 of the price. The inflow of the people, this is whatever is happening. I can tell you, every big houses, and the government start thinking, how can we create a research center, a Ivy League stadium, a complete university? Every business house start thinking. And this is sometime when we find this kind of situation comes, is people start thinking. And today this is a very, very good time where government and the business, without business, nothing will run. Economic and politics goes together. And most important thing is economic development. And now we are aligning. And with this alignment, see how things will change.
आपने कहा मैं तैयार हूँ। इस पर आप बताइए, एनडीटीवी वर्ल्ड समिट के मंच पर आपने बताया कि ज़रूरत है that we have a world class educational system. क्या थॉट है आपकी?
जो आज भी यूनिवर्सिटियाँ बहुत बनी हैं, but the kind of atmosphere we are looking at, it is not, it's a research university, think tank, what the atmosphere, the water side. I just put in a small communication to all the state that I'd like to build a university. Trust me, there is not a single state which has not come forward. Some state has created the land on the river side, say you come and build here. This never used to happen. I never used to see for the industry, all states are coming forward. They want to come to your house, what you want to build, they want to support, financial institutions. See the stock market. The world is talking about our stock market. It is amazing how, with the governance, the kind of listings are happening. These are the sign how we'll move forward.
जो आत्मनिर्भरता की बात है, वैसे भारत के स्टॉक मार्केट ने सबसे पहले दिखा दिया। FIIs may look the other way, but Indian investors have come in with a wall of money to keep the markets up at new highs today as well.
अभी तो कुछ आया ही नहीं है. It's a very important. The people who are big must be very big because they can do the big thing. Then other startup join with them. That's very, very important. Big work, big things has to be. Earlier the government company used to do. Now the world over, all over the world, people want to come. They want more comfort, but it's very important. The local people, local big companies, partnership with them, what is happening. And I can see, having a little time, I can give you even a 1 year time. You see what happened in 1 year time. How everything what you are looking today question mark, challenging, where to go, door will open up. ये डोर खुलते जाएंगे.
आप ज़्यादातर टाइम काफ़ी टाइम लंदन में स्पेंड करते हैं. व्हाट इज़ द कन्वर्सेशन अराउंड इंडिया राइट नाउ एज अ ग्रोथ स्टोरी दैट यू आर हियरिंग व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग टू अ होल वैरायटी ऑफ पीपल, वेदर दे ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टर्स, अदर conglomerates?
Everybody wants to come because here is the consumption, the kind of demand. People are little uncomfortable or they not clarity how to do business here, how many hurdles they have to cross. Now the technology is coming, all self-certification is coming. Everybody is interested, whether it's a technology people, whether it's resources people, whether it's a car manufacturer, infrastructure, hospitality. Everybody want to bring thousands of hotels here. Anything you talk about, people want to come, but they are understanding. Government is also coming forward, that saying that we have a transparency. You don't have to go through the bureaucracy, and they all are aligned. And that's the sign. The day it will happen, more and more comfort will happen because it's a stable country. This is a stable country. If you see our regime is for 10 years, 5 years, they are there. That's what people are looking for. They're looking young population, cheaper labor, looking the consumption, looking the... I go to Spain, 5 months that country is closed. The only 90% of the people, they are not there. India is the country where 12 months we can work, we have the atmosphere to work.
Sir, as we wrap this conversation, आपने एक line सिर्फ गाई है, and people, if you don't know what a good singer Anil ji is, नहीं आप बहुत अच्छी आवाज़ है. So you have to wrap up with some song for us, a few lines on what really describes the mood you see right now in the country.
मैं तो लंदन में बोलता हूँ, मैं जिस देश में गंगा बहती है, जिस देश में गंगा बहती है, होठों पे सच्चाई रहती है, होठों पे सच्चाई रहती है, जिस देश में गंगा बहती है. तमन्ना जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much. A big round of applause for Anil Agarwal. Keeping it simple, keeping it honest, keeping it from the heart. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Tamanna ji. Thank you, all the best.
Go.